How early should we start teaching kids about money? This question, which might seem straightforward, actually carries a lot of weight. The answer could shape the financial future of the next generation, giving them the tools they need to make sound financial decisions and build wealth. In recent news, the emphasis on financial literacy for children has been growing. Some argue that this education should start as early as possible, with age-appropriate lessons on earning, saving, and spending money. This early financial education might come in the form of paid jobs for children and teens during the summer, as suggested by a recent article in Business Insider. These jobs can provide valuable life lessons beyond just the financial aspect. They can teach punctuality, dependability, networking, communication, problem-solving, and more. Interestingly, these first jobs can also help teens discover their interests and shape their future career paths. But it doesn't stop at just earning money. Teaching children how to manage their earnings wisely is equally, if not more, important. It's about teaching them the value of money, the importance of saving, and the impact of their spending habits. It's also about preparing them for the future. In another Business Insider article, a mother of 3 young girls shares her strategies for building generational wealth, which includes teaching financial literacy to her children. She talks about investing in the stock market, real estate, and experiences like traveling. She emphasizes the importance of being prepared and making informed decisions, lessons she wants to pass on to her children. It's clear that financial literacy is not just about teaching children how to count coins or how to save up for a toy they want. It's about equipping them with the knowledge and skills they need to navigate the financial world as they grow up. It's about giving them the confidence to make smart financial decisions that could impact their lives and the lives of future generations. In conclusion, teaching financial literacy to children from an early age is crucial. It equips them with essential life skills and prepares them for financial independence. Moreover, it helps in shaping financially responsible adults, thereby contributing to a financially literate society. So the answer to the question, how early should we start teaching kids about money, is as soon as possible.